my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 5th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. Before we begin, I want to congratulate my Houston Astros on winning the World Series this year. Woohoo! Go Astros! So proud of you. Well, today I'm going to share with all of y'all a fantastic macaroni and cheese recipe, but we're going to make a stovetop version. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, soulful, bursting with cheesy goodness, and it was sure to make your mouth water. A great addition to your Thanksgiving table, and also a great side dish to serve at any weeknight meal. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my baked macaroni and cheese recipe, my Thanksgiving recipes playlist, and my previous video, sweet potato pound cake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pot of water, your elbow macaroni, and get your cheese grated sugar, because we're about to cook some macaroni and cheese magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first thing I'm going to do is cook our pasta. I have a large pot of water and I have my fire over high heat. We're going to cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, our water has come to a boil, so now I'm going to remove the top. Now I'm going to add in some kosher salt to help flavor our macaroni. So now we're going to add in 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Going to give it a stir so that way our pasta won't stick. Alrighty, so now we're going to let our pasta cook until it's al dente. Alright my friends, let's take a look at our elbow macaroni, see if it's al dente. And be careful, it's very hot. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drain my pasta and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through draining my macaroni. So now I'm going to set this aside while I get my cheese ready. Over here on my plate, I have my cheeses using 16 ounces in total. I'm using 8 ounces of sharp cheddar and 8 ounces of colby-jack. And I recommend shredding them yourself instead of buying it already shredded, because it melts better and it don't have any filters like the bag of shredded cheese. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the cheese aside while we make our cheese sauce. And I'm just going ahead and make our cheese sauce in the same pot we cook our pasta in. It's all good. So now I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to let that melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our butter has melted. So now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a quick whisk. And we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in our milk. We're going to add in 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, and it's nice and warm. Whisk this up a little bit. And over here I have a large egg. I'm going to take a ladle of the milk and add some to the egg. We're going to temper this so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. It'll give our mac and cheese a nice little richness. Alrighty, our egg is nice and tempered. So now we're going to pour it into the milk mixture. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook until it thickens. Alright my friends, our sauce has thickened. See? That looks great. Alrighty, now it's time to add in our cheese. And over here I have my seasonings. A half a teaspoon each of kosher salt, white pepper, or you can use black, ground mustard, and smoked paprika. And be careful not to add too much salt because cheese has a lot of salt in it. 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. Give our cheese sauce a little extra decadence. And our shredded cheese. Stir this in until the cheese melts. And I forgot to mention, I removed the pot from the burner. Alright, my friends, our cheeses has melted. So now it's time to add in our cooked pasta. And stir this in. Want to make sure the cheese sauce is coated in all the macaroni. Oh my Lord, this looks so good. Honey, this ain't no macaroni and cheese out of the box. Y'all hear that? Oh yes, nice and creamy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my macaroni and cheese and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cheesy stovetop macaroni and cheese. Doesn't that look good? And it smells amazing. Oh, my mouth's watering. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The pasta is perfectly cooked. Oh, that cheese sauce is super cheesy. Full of flavor. Nothing like macaroni and cheese. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Mac and cheese licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.